Good afternoon to all the Glistian viewers out there. Michael Lazar, Sport Fanatic. Guys, we are at Scottsville, Wednesday, 11th of March. I'm going to go through my best bets. Race 3, number 2, Randolph Hurst, Justin Snaith, Keegan DeMello. Looks like the best bet on the card. Race 5, number 5, Can We Start? Mike the Cock, Callan Murray. Looks like another good bet. Then we move on to race number 6, number 3, Lady of Distinction, Rachel Vinegar, Michael Roberts, related to 8 on 18. Looks like an up-and-coming filly. Then we move on to race number 8, number 6, Mapaka, Dean Canema, Sean Veal. Looks like a nice value bet. So what I'm going to suggest is you guys take the double, race 3, number 2, Randolph Hurst, Justin Snaith, Keegan DeMello, into race 6, number 3, Lady of Distinction, Rachel Vinegar, Michael Roberts. Then if you want to take the all to come, you could take the treble, race 3, number 2, Randolph Hurst, race 5, number 5, Can We Start, and race 6, number 3, Lady of Distinction. Value play, a little bit of value in race 8, number 6, Mapaka. Guys, get your bets on at soccershop.bet. Enjoy the racing. God bless. Hit them hard and let's make some cash. Cheers.
Hi guys, it's Bianca again. Tomorrow we're racing at Scottsville. I'm going to tip your horse in race 6 called Tamaras, owned by Glistian. The horse is currently 5-1, ridden by Samanga Kamala, trained by Gareth Van Zale. Last time out was badly hampered at a crucial stage, so I think at 5-1 there's value. Get on at Soccer Shop. Happy punting.
Good day, punters. This is the Punter's Rabbit. We had a good day at Turfentine Classic Day on Saturday. Let's hope our run continues at Scottsville tomorrow. We go as follows. For a place strike, race 2, Rough Raff Boy, race 4, Good Omen, race 8, Gorgeous Guy, race 9, Definitely Yes. If you want to, race 3, Randolph Hurst should win. Remember, some betting shops offer 4 places or more. Take a chance, stay in the game, and happy punting.
How's it, guys? It's my Scottsville preview for tomorrow. Each way value bet, that's my play, quality over quantity. Race 9, Grand Force, 20-1. That's my bet for tomorrow. Hope you guys get on. Cheers.
What's up, guys? It's Ashley here. Hope you guys made some money on Saturday. I did tip the Exacta straight line, paid $7.60 in race 6. Well done to the guys that backed William Robinson at 10 or 12-1. This is the preview for Scottsville Wednesday. I'm going to go into race number 5, Fire Force. It's a Paul Gatsby horse, I think at 4-1 for the win. On to race 8, number 5, Cowboy Country. It's a Tony Relevant horse. Also, you can probably get 11-2. So you can either hit them both straight on the head, or the other thing is if you take that double, you're going to get 32-1. You put $100, you put $1,000 on that 32-1. I think it's a very, very good number. Have a good one, guys. Cheers.
Hi guys, we're off to Scottsville on the 11th of March. We need to tip a winner. We haven't found you guys a winning bet just yet, but I think today might be our day with Glistian's very own Tom Iris in race 6 with Kumalo aboard. She got taken up at a very crucial stage last time, and I think the 6-1 is a lot of value in this race. There is some collateral form with Lady of Distinction and Ice Rain, but she's racing fit and I think she's going to take a beating tomorrow. Good luck, guys.
Hey guys, Daniel Liebenberg here, tipping for Scottsville on Wednesday. Looking back at Turffontein on Saturday, we went 3 for 5. Don't think that was bad at all. Hopefully we can go one better on Wednesday. I'm going to start off with my best bet in race 3, Randolph Hurst, 5-10, weighted to win here and should come home lonely. Then 2 more I think are very, very strong win bets on the day is in race 1, Mastercrafter, first timer from the Stuart Ferry yard, 28-10.
I think the word is out here, and I think it's a good thing on the day. And then also in race 4, Highveld Storm, 22-10. Second run for the Dominic Zaki yard. I think on that first run after a rest should be a good thing here. And I'm going to end off in race 8 with my value bet for the day. Gorgeous Guy, 7-1. Only the favorite to beat, but I think you guys can empty out on this one. Cheers guys, have a good day.